Take this opportunity to digress and for 2 minutes take this opportunity to market our tourism to the international delegates present here. Please don't leave this country before taking a trip to the Masai Mara, the 8th wonder of the world, to enjoy the abundance of our wildlife. The lion, the cheetah, the elephant, the buffalo, the rhino. How can you possibly go back to your country before going to see those animals? Please, I beg you. Number 2, take a chance to fly to Mombasa. We have beautiful coastal beaches with white sand, and there's a lot of sunbathing. Don't just go back to Europe and to America and to Asia. Our cultural heritage is the best in the world. You must get a chance to interact with the Masai Marans and enjoy their beautiful dances. And those Masais, they kill lions with their bare hands. You need to see them. And finally, as you came here from the various destinations across the world, you carried some money in foreign currency, either with a Visa card or in cash. Please don't go back with that money. Make sure at the end of the conference you spend to the last coin. We do need that foreign exchange. As you board the plane back, you have left some money back at home. Leave whatever you have with us here. So I want to thank you for attending this great conference. The organizers, thank you very much. I'm sure you will have a very fruitful discussion, and we are honored as a country to have hosted this great conference. And I want to thank the organizers, the participants, and each and every one of you for your time, for your commitment, and for the very